Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you all so much for being here. It is a Monday, but we are just days away from Christmas, so hopefully a lot of you are starting off a short work week ahead of the holidays. Now, this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. All right, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the red this morning amid a surge in COVID-19 cases and President Joe Biden's $2 trillion tax and spending package looking dead after Senator Manchin said that he would not support the package. Currently, we have Dow futures down 2.4%, S&P 500 futures down 1%, and NASDAQ futures down 1.64%. After some uncertainty at the end of last week, Google revealed that it has come to an agreement with Disney to restore access to Walt Disney channels on YouTube. In a tweet, YouTube said, "We've reached a deal with Disney and have already started to restore access to channels like ESPN and FX. Last week, YouTube stated it would renew the agreement with Disney only if the latter would slash the monthly price for YouTube TV to $49.99 from $64.99. On December 19th, YouTube mentioned that the monthly price would be $64.99, though they added that all affected users will receive a one-time discount of $15. The Google stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of nearly 19%, while the Disney stock is rated a strong buy with an upside of nearly 34%. Biopharmaceutical company AMGN revealed that it has received FDA approval for Tezspire, a biologic for severe asthma. Following a priority review by the FDA and based on results from the Pathfinder clinical trial, Tezspire's results from their Navigator Phase 3 trial led to its approval. Notably, Tezspire is the first and only biologic to consistently and significantly reduce asthma exacerbations across Phase 2 and 3 clinical trials. Their stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside of 3%. Tax filing giant H&R Block has filed a trademark infringement case against Block, or the company formerly known as Square. They're claiming that the latter seeks to confuse customers by misappropriating the Block brand name. H&R Block president and CEO said that today's filing is an important effort to prevent consumer confusion and ensure a competitor cannot leverage the reputation and trust that we have built over more than 6 decades. Protecting and defending our brand is crucial. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 19%. Bottom Line Technologies will be acquired by Thoma Bravo in a deal worth $2.6 billion. Bottom Line Technologies specializes in enabling electronic payments and transactions between businesses, vendors, and banks. It also operates a cloud solutions segment that offers customers software as a service technology that enables electronic payments, invoicing, and spend management. The acquisition comes at a time when the digital transformation of businesses is accelerating. The acquisition of Bottom Line Technologies presents a unique opportunity for Thoma Bravo to capitalize on its unique position in the large and growing B2B payments market. Their stock is currently rated a hold with a slight downside of 3.8%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from Carnival Corporation, and in the after hours, we have a couple big names with Micron Technology and Nike. At the end of last week, we heard from restaurant group Darden Restaurants, the name behind some popular restaurants like Olive Garden and Longhorn Steakhouse. They came out with some solid Q2 results. This was aided by a reopening economy and solid underlying business momentum. Their earnings doubled year over year to $1.48 per share and came in 5 cents higher than analyst estimates. Their sales jumped 37% year over year to $2.27 billion, outpacing the street's estimates of $2.23 billion. Analysts rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of over 21%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Society Pass, whose stock is jumping after they were added to the Russell 2000 index. Under the ticker SOPA, their stock is currently up nearly 28%. They're followed by Verso, who actually just popped up to be our biggest gainer, up nearly 32%. Under the ticker VRS, they've agreed to be acquired in a deal worth $825 million. And Intracellular Therapies, under the ticker ITCI, their stock is up over 20% after getting FDA approval for Caplyta for the treatment of bipolar depression in adults. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Spruce Biosciences. Their stock is cooling off after some massive gains at the end of last week when an Oppenheimer analyst initiated a new buy rating with a very bullish price target. Under the ticker SPRB, their stock is currently down nearly 18%, following gains of over 100% on Friday. They're followed by Iris Energy under the ticker IREN. They're down over 12%, following gains of 26% Friday when a JP Morgan analyst said that it had more than 100% upside. And the SQM stock currently down over 11% after the Bank of America downgraded their rating. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Monday, and I'll see you back here next time.